Another product we're showing here at the show is our new Mannington ScratchEraser pen. ScratchEraser pen specifically designed for our ADURA products, all ADURA products, everything from our Apex line through our selling solution and our REALTA line. It also works very well with a restoration collection. The way this product works is, what we have here is some ADURA Flex, and although our products are very durable and scratch resistant, accidents can happen. Things get drug across the floor, chair protectors are broken off, scratches can happen. So we're gonna exaggerate a scratch here, all right? And you'll see that kind of whitening really jumps out at you. So what we've developed here, knock some of them burrs off, this pen is specially formulated to match our scratch resist urethane. So we're going to shake it up a little bit. It's got a felt tip dauber on it. We're just going to depress it and let some of that liquid come out. Apply it directly to the scratch. Let that sit on there for 5 or 10 seconds and let it grab into the surrounding urethane. It's going to match the sheen perfect. Then we're just going to take a damp rag and wipe it with the grain. Does a great job of masking the scratch. It's still there, but it's very, very hard to see. Another product we're extremely excited about.